I welcome you to this amazing course about mastering Git and GitHub. It's a complete tutorial for beginners who don't know what is Git and GitHub and why do we use it and how can we use it in our software development journey. Try to follow the course till the end. Let's get started. First, we will start from the introduction to Git and GitHub. In this video, we'll discuss what is Git and GitHub and why do we use these tools and what's the main difference between Git and GitHub. First of all, what is the version control system and why do you need it? First of all, we need to know that in the process of software development, there is a team consists of several developers, right, working to build a software. Sometimes the team is working on a large scale project which may include different set of codes. And the project is divided among several members of the team. So each person alters his part of code. Now when all the code is written separately by each member and it's time to merge that code in order to complete the software development. There could be some errors in the code or maybe it requires debugging. You need to figure out at which part of the code the error occurs and when the code was working correctly. It's like figuring out the time when the code was working fine. On a large scale project, this step is a bit more difficult. In order to solve this problem, we need a version control system. What does the version control system do and why the version control matters? Let's see. So the version controls allows multiple developers to collaborate efficiently on a code project. As I told you before, that when the team is working on a large scale project, so there are several developers in a team that are working together in order to write the code. So each part of code is divided among the several developers. Version control allows multiple developers to collaborate efficiently to merge the code and to write the code efficiently in order to make their software. And it tracks the changes, enables historical review and safeguards against data loss. Like as I told you before that in the software development journey, when all of the code that is written by each member of the team is merged together, so could be a possible that there may be some sort of errors in the code. So we need to track those errors, and the version control allows us to track all the changes made in the code. So it's more efficient to find the error in the code, like when on which version of the code the error occurred, right? It helps to detect the error and to debug the code very efficiently. And how can it safeguard against the data loss? The version control allows us to store the data in a web, that I will be discussing on a later class, that how do we store our code on a project on a web storage. Allows us to store the code and a project on a web. If we lost our laptop or if the computer hard drive gets damaged, our code will remain safe in the cloud storage, right? And a third point here is that it ensures the structured and organized development environment. By using the version control system, the developers work in an organized and structured way. They work on a step-by-step things and they just organize their code and organize all of the software development process. Version control system is very helpful in your software development journey. If you are a beginner in software engineering or you are just collaborating with your team in a university project or any kind of thing, so the version control system will be very useful for you. So in order to use the version control system, this is the developers use Git and GitHub, because Git and GitHub can solve all the problems that a software development team faces during the development process. So I hope you understand the use of Git and GitHub. In the next video, we'll be discussing what's the main difference between Git and GitHub.